Hello, this is Andrew from Boatshed, Gibraltar. Here we're entering a Voyager 40 built in 1990. She's a motor sailor with twin engines. You will appreciate from this video that internally and externally she is kept in a very high and good condition. This boat is ready to go. You will see that in the saloon there's currently no saloon table, but that's just simply because the current owner wanted open plan and has removed it, but it is still available. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you want to arrange a viewing, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.